Welcome back to Whisk by Christy. With only 5 days to Christmas, we are in full-blown holiday mode. And to get into the festive spirit, I thought I'd whip up a batch of stained glass cookies. This is a simple sugar cookie with the crunch of a hard candy. For this recipe, you'll need 225 grams of unsalted butter at room temp, 1 cup of caster sugar, 2 eggs, 4 cups of plain flour, half a cup of cornflour, 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and about 20 hard-boiled lollies in colours and flavours of your choosing. I've gone with yellow pineapple, orange, and red strawberry. Firstly, you'll need to sift your flour, cornflour, and salt into a bowl and stir until combined. With a hand mixer or in a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, cream the butter and sugar together until pale. Then on low, add in your eggs one at a time until combined, followed by your vanilla. Scrape down the sides of your bowl and mix in your dry ingredients. Separate the dough into 2 and flatten into discs. Wrap these and chill them in the fridge for about an hour. This will make it easier to roll out. While your cookie dough is chilling, place your hard-boiled lollies in a Ziploc bag and crush them up. Once the dough is chilled, either in between 2 pieces of baking paper or on a lightly floured surface, you want to roll out your dough to about 1 centimeter thick. The cookie will puff up a little bit while baking, so you don't want it too thick, but if it's too thin, they'll be too hard to work with and will likely tear and lose their shape. Now that you've rolled out your dough, you're ready to cut out some shapes. I've gone with stars and a simple crimpled circle, but you can use any shapes you wish. You then want to place these on some baking paper. I cut out the larger shape first and then cut out the centre. If they're not holding their shape, stick them back in the fridge to firm up. Once you have all your shapes cut out, you want to sprinkle the crushed lollies into the centres. Make sure not to get any on the dough or your cookies will come out looking messy. Then bake these in the oven for 12 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. When they come out, the centres will be extremely hot, so be sure not to touch them. But now is a great time to take a toothpick and pop any large bubbles before it sets to give it a cleaner look. Let the cookies cool completely before removing them from the baking paper. If you like, you can go one step further and place some sprinkles in between 2 cookies and glue them together with icing or some melted hard-boiled lollies to make them stained glass sprinkle cookies. And there you have it! Stained glass cookies ready for Christmas. Enjoy!